Hi, this is Jackie with WTI, and if you're looking for a good cream blush that you can blend to look natural and bright and lovely on your cheeks, the Winky Lux Cheeky Rose Cream Blush in Knickers is the one that I am loving. I have had this for several months, and you can see I've used it a lot, but it still has so much left. So it's this cute little container that has a rose inside, and the rose is the cream blush. How cool is that? I just love the packaging. I love how pretty it is. It has a really high pigmentation. So you put a little bit on your finger and then you tap it on your cheek, and you can just blend it really naturally just with your finger. And you can see it just gives you a nice, lovely rose glow, and just a little bit goes a long way. You can use a brush also if you want it to be a little bit stronger, and just tap it in. So easy to have that pretty rosy glow. And it's the cream blush, which is what I was looking for, to give you a little bit more of a dewy look, and it also blends really well into your skin. Unlike powder blushes, I use them also, but it just gives it a different look. This just gives a more natural look when you use that cream. I can even use it on my lips if I wanted. But anyway, I highly recommend as a cream blush the Winky Lux Rose Cheeky cream blush in Knickers, but that's my point of view.